In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your broker to TradingView. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to streamline their trading experience. By linking your brokerage account directly to TradingView, you can enhance your ability to analyze and act on market trends all in one place, making your trading both efficient and effective. Let's dive right in by opening up the TradingView website. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to the section that displays your charts. These charts are at the heart of TradingView, providing you with the visual data needed to make informed trading decisions. Now, with your charts open, you should notice a trading panel at the bottom of the screen, or it might be on the side, depending on your layout settings. The trading panel is an essential tool that facilitates direct interactions with your broker. This panel is designed to offer a seamless integration between your analysis on TradingView and your brokerage account, allowing you to execute trades directly from the interface. Upon clicking the trading panel, you'll see a list of supported brokers. TradingView has partnered with numerous brokers, offering you a wide range of choices. This list is continually updated, so if you don't see your broker today, it might be integrated soon. The variety here is impressive, enabling traders from different regions and with different trading needs to find a compatible brokerage option. To connect your broker to TradingView, all you have to do is click on your broker's name from this list. It's that simple. Clicking here will prompt a connection process. It is secure and straightforward, designed to initiate a dialogue between your TradingView account and your brokerage account. Make sure you have your brokerage login details handy, as you'll be asked to enter them to establish this connection. The beauty of this functionality is that once your broker account is linked, you'll be able to execute trades directly from the TradingView platform. This integration not only saves time by eliminating the need to switch between different applications, but also reduces the chances of manual errors which can occur when inputting data across platforms. Remember, ensuring a secure connection between your accounts is crucial. Always double-check that your credentials are correct and keep them private to maintain the security of your trading activities. And there you have it. You are now set up to harness the powerful tools TradingView offers, combined with the financial capabilities of your broker, all within one cohesive platform. Stay tuned for more guides and tips on how to maximize your trading potential using TradingView. Happy trading!